Welcome to Techie channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a trend line and slope equation in Google Sheet. First, you will need to prepare your data sheet in Google Sheet. Make sure your data is organized properly with your X values in one column and your Y values in another, so that Google Sheet can easily interpret and plot it. Once your data is ready, you don't need to select it right away. Instead, go to the Google Sheet toolbar at the top and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. This will automatically open the chart editor on the right side of your screen and your data will be turned into a chart. By default, it may not be the chart type you need. Let's change that. In the chart editor, locate the section label chart type. Click on it and a list of various chart types will appear. From this list, select Scatter Chart. Now you have your scatter chart in place. In the chart editor, you will see two main tabs, Setup and Customize. Click on the Customize tab. Inside this tab, look for the section label series. In the series section, you will find several checkboxes and drop-down option. Locate the checkbox that says Trend Line and check it. A smooth line will appear across your data points, indicating the trend line. This line represents the general direction in which your data is moving. To reveal the equation of the trend line, which is essential for understanding the slope, look for another drop-down menu within the series section label. Click on it and a list of options will appear. From this option, select Use Equation. The equation including the slope will now appear on your chart. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.